Hello, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you are in the world. Hope you're having a good day. I'm going to tell you how you can record videos using a filter. So as you can see, we are just filming this keyboard here. And yes, it's black and white. But you can see the dash color and everything. So basically, what we do is, as you can see, with a filter, you have to click the top button with the arrow and then click on the three circles, and that lets you choose a filter. And basically you hold down on the camera button like there to take a picture, and you slide to the right to lock it in for a video. And now you're recording with a filter on, as you can see. So I have a mouse in the background and the real color of it is red, which you can see now, and with the filter on it changes it to black and white. Hope you've enjoyed this short video, guys. I know it's very short, but I hope you enjoyed it and found it useful. See you on the next one.